Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel today. My name is Kineshumi Ogwaju. So on this video I want to teach you how to make this wonderful handbag together with the leather. So I'll show you the measurements for those handbag. So the measurements here now is 4 inch by 13 inch. Then after measuring 4 inch by 13 inch, after measuring 4 inch by 13 inch, I measured up here to be 7 inch. So after measuring 7 inch here, that's 7 inch by 13 inch. From here also, I came this side, I measured 2.5 inch. Then the other side also I measured 2.5 inch. Then after that, I draw a straight line and stop at the place I measured 7 inch. Then drawing here now is 8.5 inch. So coming at this place now, after measuring 2.5 inch here, 2.5 inch here, the remaining one here is 8.5 inch. So coming here, I curved here, I measured here to be 3 inch and here to be 1.5 inch. So I curved it from here this way. So after curving it now, I will now go ahead and cut it out this way here. I'll stop at this place, then I'll place this one on top of this way now. So I have drawn the curve that will be here this way. So now after cutting it, it will be this way now. Can you see this? It will be this way. So coming at this one, is the measurement for this. The only thing is that I added 1/2 inch here. That 1/2 inch is the one that I'll fold here this way before sewing it on top of this one here. I'll fold that 1/2 inch to be here this way. Are you see? So that 1/2 inch will be this way here. That's why I added the 1/2 inch on here. So this one is 7.5 by 8.5 inch. So I'll add it this way here. So let me go ahead and do that. Doing that now, I'll get the middle of this one here. I'll get the middle of this one, and I'll also come here and get the middle of this here. So I'll get the middle of this one here now. So after getting the middle of this, I'll hold it with the middle of this together here this way. Can you see? Then I'll go ahead and sew here. But before then, I need to add a pocket that will be here. So let me go ahead and do that. So coming here, this is the side pocket for the back. The same measurement with this by 6 inch. So this is the side pocket for this back here. So I'll be adding it this brown leather on top here. So let me go ahead and do that now. So now after adding this, I will now go ahead and join it with this one here, making sure that two of them are the same middle with each other. Then I'll go ahead and sew it here. So after sewing it, I will turn it as I told you that I will fold it like half inch from here. So I'll fold like half inch from here this way here. So I'll go ahead and sew it here again. So it will be this way now. So the next thing I will do now is to use this one and place on top of this to make sure that they are equal here. Checking this one and this one to make sure that they are equal at this place. That is here. Make sure they are equal here this way. So coming at this point, I told you I will measure out from here to here 3 inch because I have 3 inch already here. So the remaining one will be for the zip. So I will measure out 3 inch here. I will measure out 3 inch here. So after measuring the 3 inch here, the remaining this is the remaining one. So I will measure it. That will be the zipper aspect of the back. So the zipper aspect of it is 14 inch. So I'm making it to be 15 inch. So now let me go ahead and cut it, and it will be 15 inch by 2.5 inch. It will be two pieces. So the for the zipper side of the bag will be 15 inch by 2 inch because the main body of the bag is 4 inch and this one will be 2 inch. So here is a 4 inch, I think. This is 4 inch. So I'm making the zipper to divide it into two as the zipper size. It will be 2 inch by 15 inch. So this is 2 inch by 15 inch. So that will be the zipper side of this bag. So now I'll now go ahead and add the zip on it now. So I'll now go ahead and add the zip clothes here. I'll add it together with this one here. Then after that, I'll go ahead and fold it this way. So after adding the zip and the handle on the zipper side of the bag, the next thing I will do now is to go ahead and sew it together with this. So I'll go ahead and join it here. So join it here is by sewing it to this side here this way. So I'll go ahead and sew it here now. Then I'll turn it this way again. I'll now go ahead and sew it once again here. Then after here now, I will now go ahead and hold it with this sword this way. Then I'll go ahead and sew it here. So coming at this point now, I'll hold these two together this way. I'll hold the two together this way now. Then I'll go ahead and sew it again. So this is the bag after sewing it. Can you see this bag? It's a nice bag. So thanks so much for watching this video. Thank you.